Most people come to Baguio for the cool breeze and the strawberries. But if you look closer, you are standing in a city that was designed to be a hill station utopia. Before the concrete, this was Cafagua, the home of Ibaloi people.
And in 1905, an American architect named Daniel Burnham, the same man who designed Chicago, saw these hills and imagined a city beautiful. He designed a grid that didn't fight the mountains, but embraced them.
Today, we are peeling back the layers of Baguio, from its colonial origins to its modern resilience. I'm Rain.
I'm David.
And I'm Joy.
This is a walking tour of Philippines' summer capital.
If every city has a heartbeat, Baguio's is Session Road. It's the corridor, the main artery. It was named after the first session of the Second Philippine Commission held here in 1904.
Notice the scale. Burnham intended for these streets to be walkable. Look at the architecture. It's a mix. However, following the devastating 1990 earthquake and the passage of over a century, few buildings remain the style of the Art Deco and Neo-Romanesque, originally designed by Burnham.
It's a blend of American colonial planning and Filipino grit. Every shopfront here tells a story of survival and adaptation.
We've climbed the hill to Our Lady of the Astronomers Cathedral. Its distinct pink exterior and twin spires make it a landmark you can see from almost everywhere in the valley.
This is what we call eclectic renaissance. During World War II, this cathedral served as a refuge for thousands during the carpet bombing of the city. It stood while the rest of the city fell. Architecturally, it anchors the skyline, acting as a spiritual basilica that oversees the civic forum below.
It's a reminder that in Baguio, the highest points are reserved for the sacred and the historic.
Today, Baguio is facing a new challenge: rapid urbanization. The city of pines is now a city of concrete, but the spirit of the original plan remains.
We see it in the new adaptive reuse projects, old houses turning into cafes, and the creative murals that earned Baguio the title of a UNESCO Creative City.
Baguio is more than just a getaway. It is a living museum of how a city can be carved into clouds, destroyed, and born again.
Thanks for working with us. If you enjoyed this architectural deep dive, let us know which city we should explore next.